Hello and welcome back. Here, I just want to give a quick overview of what you can expect to learn throughout this course. So in addition to learning how to upload your manuscript into Amazon's free publishing platform, which is called Kindle Direct Publishing, and I'll be referring to it throughout the course as KDP, you will learn how to format the interior of your books, design your own book covers for free, choose effective fonts, choose, change, and add categories in KDP, identify scalable niches, create low content books such as journals and planners and diaries, coloring books, picture books, etc. I'm going to walk you through the whole process. I'm going to teach you how to choose effective titles, subtitles, keywords, and categories, how to create front and back matter for your book, how and where to find low-cost graphics and illustrations, how to request endorsements for your book from authorities in your field of interest, how to get reviews for your book, how to write effective copy or book descriptions, how to create your Amazon profile, and there's more. That's just a very brief overview. And I will give you lots of great freebies at the end of this course as well. So watch for those. And keep in mind, once you've published your first book, you can repeat and refine the process over and over again. And as with anything in life, the more you do it, the more skilled you become, the more confident you become, and the better your work becomes. And I also want to mention, if you have any degree of technophobia, I don't want you to worry. I was not tech savvy at all when I began publishing on Amazon. I was, and to some degree, still am intimidated by all things computer related. I have a tendency to procrastinate if I feel like I have to learn new computer skills. So if this resonates with you at all, I don't want you to worry. It's going to be easier than you think. I figured it out and you're going to figure it out, but you're going to have me to guide you all the way through it. So I want you to be excited. I don't want you to procrastinate, and just remind yourself, the sooner you get started, the sooner your book will go live on Amazon. It's going to be easy. Okay. So I'm going to stop there and I will see you in the next lesson.